So the big problem we've got in Australia is that estimates are that something like 90% of the fish stocks in the Murray-Darling Basin no longer exist, and that's principally because of the barriers that we've put on the river system. Every time we build a hydraulic structure on a river system, we create a new barrier for fish in terms of their migration up and downstream. Fish do not jump, and so even remarkably small barriers become an obstruction for the fish migrating along any river system. So at the back of the Water Research Laboratory on this large 8-metre embankment, we've built our final prototype, which we're proving at this point. John Harris came up with the original idea of putting fish inside a pipe and then piping them over the top of a dam. We're actually providing the energy for the fish, and so as long as they'll be attracted to the pipe, they can be transported automatically. That's probably the principal ecological reason. The other reason is economic, that because you're using such a small amount of material, the economy of building these things will be far superior to building large and expensive ramps. Well, something we discovered while we were doing the project is that, naturally enough, the water that's rising rapidly through the tube is aerated, so as the fish rise, they're actually in a layer of bubbles, which provides them with lots of oxygen and cushions them against any pressure variations as they're travelling up the tube. So we've not injured any fish during this project, and they've arrived safely in spite of travelling at quite remarkable speeds up 8 metres.